I've got my IPSY Extra. So if you want to see what's inside this June 2026 box, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy, and I'm coming to you from outdoors. And Chloe's inside, as is Bandit. He is not an outdoor kind of dog. And Dexter's inside too, because he's not an outside kind of cat. All right, well, if you are new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, all kinds of fun stuff like that, fashion, beauty. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so the IPSY Extra Box is the next step up from your IPSY OG. It is, I think, $36 a month. Here is your sneak peek, and I did get a couple of extras. And first things first, it is the return of the bag. So they used to do this, they got rid of it, and now the bag is back. I mean, these are nice size bags as far as storing things like attachments for your curling iron or whatever. Like, it's just a nice size storage. I think the things in here are the extra items though that I ordered. So let's take a look at the first thing that IPSY chose for me, which are these Lucky Chick I, as in I Love You brush set. So there is a set of 3 brushes for eyes, and they're very, very pretty, very soft. These are cruelty-free and vegan, so we're looking at synthetic brushes. They have an MSRP of $22. And they have a 4-star rating from the IPSY community. Let's look at a couple of those reviews. Amazing quality. This person owned them for 2 years and say they are amazing quality, soft bristle, great brushes, good set of everyday brushes. One person gave it a 3 stars, just like any other brushes, they say. It's good, but nothing special. A 2-star person said that they're just not a brush person. They're going to give it to their daughter, who can learn to blend her eyeshadows. So, you know, sometimes when people give it a low rating, it's because it's not a product that they would enjoy themselves. It just ended up. I mean, I wouldn't have picked these, but I'm not against them. The next product they picked for me is another one that I probably would not have chosen for myself. And this is the Hot Commodity Bronzing Palette by Pinky Bee Cosmetics. This is a PETA certified cruelty-free brand. So it looks inside. And the only reason I wouldn't have chose this was because last month I got the Natasha Denona one, and I have a lot of bronzers. I mean, I have a lot of everything, so let's be real. It certainly does have some lovely colors. It has a $29 MSRP. This is also a clean beauty brand and a vegan product or vegan brand. It just says vegan. It got a 4.1 star rating from the IPSY community. One person says that it has a nice variety of colors. However, the darker one was too dark for their skin tone. When you have that, you can always mix it with a lighter shade, because sometimes if you want just the perfect shade, you're going to have to do some blending to really customize your shade. So sometimes there's not a color on that palette, but if you mix it with a lighter color, you're going to get that perfect shade that you might be looking for. Another person said it was a decent bronzer, smooth, not chalky. Another person said it's okay, but it makes them look orange. They don't know why. Okay. Another person said seems like a waste of a product. No one can use this many shades or tones. While they're nice and creamy, textured powders, as a light neutral skinned girl, she feels like she's not getting the right combo. Again, mix them up. You can do a nice day to night look if you mix that dark one with the light one and get a great shade. So I wouldn't say it was a waste of product. I think it's just in how you look at it. Now for my first choice, I chose the Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Dew Shield with niacinamide and an SPF of 30. This brand is a K-Beauty brand. It does have an expiration date of February 2028. And there's how it looks. Now, one thing I love about Glow Recipe is that not only is it certified by Leaping Bunny as cruelty-free, but the brand is 100% vegan. There's how it looks when you put it on. Has that watermelon trademark smell and a little bit of shine. So we always love a good Glow Recipe product. One person titled their review Watermelon Deliciousness, and I would say that is true. It does not smell like Jolly Rancher watermelon though. It smells like fresh cut watermelon. Another person says it melts right in, no white cast. Absolutely, it has that nice shine. I would definitely say that that's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous shine on the skin. So overall, some pretty great ratings and some great reviews. And the MSRP on this is $35. My next choice was by Dew of the Gods. This is another cruelty-free and vegan brand. And this is their Dragon Fruit Oil Facial Cleanser. It says it's going to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and daily buildup while replenishing moisture and leaving skin soft, balanced, and glowing, never greasy. The Dragon Fruit Oil helps support a healthy skin barrier while layering you an instant hydration for a fresh, dewy finish that rinses clean and sets the tone for bright, happy skin all day. And this has an expiration date of January 2029. It has an MSRP of $30. It also has sweet almond oil and hyaluronic acid. This has a 4.2 star rating from the IPSY community. Cute cleanser. This person hasn't even used it, but they just think it's cute. Smells great, but oily skin girlies, be cautious. Another person said it works like a dream. Best cleanser ever, somebody said. Smells heavenly like an island vacation. Okay, I gotta get into this. And I'm almost done with my Snow Fox one. I've got about this much left of my Snow Fox one. So this will go next in the rotation because I love an oil cleanser. Oh, it does smell so good. It smells like the tropics. And then my last choice item was from Rare Beauty, and this is the Nearly Apricot Stay Vulnerable Blush, Melting Blush. Now, Rare Beauty is certified cruelty-free. They are Leaping Bunny and PETA certified. And look at that. Oh, so gorgeous. Let's put a little on. I would use this probably as a lipstick too, honestly. I mean, that's just amazing. This has an MSRP of $29. Nope, $24, sorry. It's hard to read with the sun. And it has a 4.3 star rating on IPSY. However, I'm going to guess that some of the people who didn't like it either don't like cream products or don't like makeup. Yeah, a 3-star says great blush, not for me. But other folks really enjoyed it. I love a cream product. As you get older, I'm going to tell you cream products are the thing. So for $12, I picked it up in 2 other shades that looked like they would go nicely with my skin tone, and that is Nearly Mauve and Nearly Rose. And I got these for $12 as add-ons. They're currently sold out, but you never know. So here is the Nearly Mauve. All right, so that's the second one right there. And then the Nearly Rose. Now that looks super pink. right? And so that's the bottom one right there. And I'm really hoping that filming outside, you're getting a good look at these and there's not too much shadow. Now, next I want to share with you my Beauty Boost for $15. I got this product valued at $74, and that is by Murad. You don't get a choice anymore. Everybody gets the same one, or they choose it for you. I'm not really sure, but I know there's no more choice, at least for me. This is their Retinol Youth Renewal Oil Drops. Now, Murad is a PETA certified company, so we love that. It says it's lightweight and fast absorbing, and it's going to leave you glowing, but it is retinol, so it's a night product. Use sunscreen in the morning, so we're going to take this. Next morning, we're going to use this. It got 4.7 stars on IPSY. This is a winner right here. There is how it looks. It also has some nourishing omega fatty acids, and it says it's a fast-acting serum that's going to, oil that's going to turn back the hands of time, basically. So for add-ons, I did get this. I've been wanting to try this forever. This is the Ellis Brooklyn Miami Nectar perfume, and it's a tropical gourmand perfume inspired by the spirit of Miami, with top notes of pink pineapple, palm leaves, and coconut water, mid notes of wild jasmine, plumeria, and lily of the valley, and dry notes of tree moss, salted woods, sweet amber woods, and vanilla. Oh, that is so nice. I did pay, I think, $3, and yes, it is a sample size, but this is a cruelty-free perfume brand, and I think when I'd gotten this in a mystery bundle from IPSY, I think we determined like it still had a value of somewhere around $5 or $7. Next, by Fenty. Now, Fenty Beauty is cruelty-free, but they are not certified cruelty-free because their parent company LVMH is not certified cruelty-free. But this is their gloss bomb in Mango Marge. M-A-R-G-Z. Look at the sparkle in that. Ooh. Wow. Oh my. Oh. Oh, that is gorgeous. I wish my. I don't know if this is picking up, if you can get the sparkles in there. But oh my, I paid $12. I believe it's valued at $24. Let me check. $23. It's valued at $23. So close to half off. I'm happy with that. And this product has yet to be reviewed in IPSY, but I've used many of the other shades and absolutely love the gloss bombs from Fenty Beauty. Next, as an add-on, I got the Danessa Myricks Vision Glow. This is an all-over face, so you can use it lips, cheeks, I guess eyes, but it's more of a pinky color, so I don't know. But Danessa Myricks is certified cruelty-free, or they are cruelty-free. I don't see if they carry their certification. Oh, not pinky. It's more of like a illuminated. All right, so it's right up here on top. It has a nice flip to pink and very glittery. Love that. So you could definitely put that as an eye topper. And then last, this was another deluxe sample. I think it was around $3.50 by Clean Reserve, is their Caramel Swirl perfume. They are a Leaping Bunny certified company. They're also a vegan and PETA certified company. Oh, that is so yummy. So it's a little roller ball. And yes, so delicious. A little sneak peek for July. We're going to get that cute striped bag. There will be choices of the First Aid, the KP Smoothing and Brightening Body Lotion in Fresh Peach, as well as the Debronzy Drops from Drunk Elephant, and the Dry Bar Detox Shampoo in Coconut Colada, which smells fantastic. I've used it before. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. Also, how we doing outside? Hopefully I don't have to refilm this inside. But let me know your thoughts about the products I chose and the products they chose for me. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.